keeps her sleeves pulled down at the edge of town, shoes soaked through by noon, under a paper moon. No one sees the bruise hidden in her use of light. She says, I'm fine, but she don't sleep at night. And when the sky falls hard, she stands where the puddles are. Looks like she's letting go, but baby, I know she dances in the rain. She dances in the rain on the darkest day. She still won't break. She dances in the rain. She dances. She dances in the rain. And I call her name. 17 and tired of the things they say, every crackback smile trying to fade away. She left a note unsent, tucked beneath her bed, but she heard one small voice when she turned toward